cannot change display language in Windows 11 fix. So if you are not being able to change the display language on Windows 11, first of all, you have to make sure to add a second language. Open up the settings application and from the left hand side, simply navigate to time and language. From here, you want to go to language and region. Now under window display language, if you select this option, other languages do not show up because they have not yet been downloaded. So what you have to do is just click on add a language option and make sure to basically add a secondary language depending upon your own choice as to what kind of language that you want there. And once you select a certain language, click the next option. It will choose to actually download the optional language features. If you want it, then you can click on install. And once you have done that, then you'll be able to install the language and later change it right from here. This way you'll be able to change the display language on Windows 11. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.